What's up? It's like Scotty, and I'm back again with another one. I'm not about to hold you, so let's tap in. Listen, don't ask me about no nigga. Don't ask me about no bitch. I don't give a fuck you see me with them. Stay the fuck about my business. Don't come to me as a nigga. Don't come to me as a woman. Understand this is my pussy. I do whatever the fuck I want. I hit the kill switch. Replace his ass real quick. You can feel the tension since I left him in his feelings. I'm way too real to give a lame nigga my attention. Pussy way too good. He couldn't handle it. He got cancer. Catch me at the strip club with a handful of ass. I'm body goes, bitch. Niggas ask me for lap dances and I spit it on his face. It's like to taste it when I come. No safe words needed. I'm trying to feel it in my stomach. Fuck stepping on toes, bitch. I'm stepping on these hoes' neck. I don't need validation. Been verified like a blue check. I ain't hard to find for a bitch that know where I stay at. And she saving her face by playing the safe. Cause little baby know I don't play that. Focus on my goals. I ain't got time for no get back. Since you know I'm saving, little baby thinking she won't get clapped. But I got the toolie ready. Coming handy in the fanny pack. Gotta watch away all that hate. But until then, I'ma stay strapped. Hating stuff in amazement. I'm still making it after them backstabs. I reinvented myself. They think it's a glitch in the matrix. The old me, you can't get that. Upgrades in the making. He said he goes to me. Truth is my time. He couldn't waste it. Left him in the past. No doubling back. I'm a heartbreaker. As God remove the fakers, everybody disappear from the table. I think like a man, act like a lady. I'm fucking crazy, but I'm always strapped. I provide my own safety. Woke up in the club. Is you strapped? Yeah, I might be the baddest one in the building. Can't find another that's like me. Fresher than the nigga in the 2000s and a white tee. My aura unmatched. I kick goddess and boss energy. Why they envy me? I pray for all my enemies. Shit, leave you where I met you. I might want to, but don't need you. I lack sympathy, but I gain clarity. Shit, hit them where it hurt by withholding my energy. Thugs moving silent, so I don't talk a lot. Shit, if you don't align with my purpose, then I'm gonna walk it out. Shit, I'm on purpose. His ego soft and I am with her. It ain't working, so he trying to come back around. Told him stay where he at. My grass is greener now. He holding me back, the anchor that's keeping me grounded. I was the wings that kept his head in the clouds, but shit, that's over now. Past time to close, that's like a loud look. I'm not really into people pleasing. I cut a nigga off. They know the reason. They obsessed with who I am. I keep on fiending and switch up on a nigga quick. Like the seasons, I'm not really into people pleasing. I cut a nigga off. They know the reason. They obsessed with who I am. I keep on fiending and switch up on a nigga quick. Like the seasons, I see you lurking, but here I go. I got you acting out of cancer. Yeah, it's hard to play my role, trying to ride my wave, but it's hard to stay afloat. Catch me swimming with the sharks and chilling with the goats. She try to copy my pimp, but you can tell it ain't authentic. Have to admit it, you know I'm different. Never met a bitch like me, spiritually gifted, mixed with realness, a divinely guided being. With pure intention, high priestess energy, good intuition, and baby I'm a healer, so you know the sex is epic. Catch me growing on the daily, elevating on all up. He call me spicy after I left him, cause I'm hotter than those peppers. Detachment game strong, you never know that I met him. He look for me in new bitches, but they ain't comparing a fuck relationship repairing. I'd rather focus on the cheddar. He forever gonna be searching, cause there ain't a bitch that's better, nigga.